Pi Network new update. First of all, let's navigate and open the Pi Network app on your device and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three lines at the top left corner and from the side menu, open the mainnet option. Next, find and tap on mainnet checklist. Here at the top of this page, you will find a deadline to complete your KYC. This is the latest Pi network update which states that your timer is paused due to the waiting for KYC to provide an update. Once you are eligible for KYC, you need to apply for KYC and complete your migration within 6 months. So if you don't have completed your KYC verification, then you have to wait until you become eligible, and once you receive the verification notification, complete KYC and migrate within 6 months. And that's it. This is the latest update from Pi Network. If you want to stay updated with the latest news, you should join the Pi Network community and stay up to date. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.